Hello everyone. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about sea turtles and how these amazing animals are being helped by people in STEM all over the world. There are 7 species of sea turtle currently known to swim the oceans. Here in Ireland, we can see 5 of them in our waters. They are the leatherback, loggerhead, green, Kemp's Ridley, and hawksbill. As reptiles, sea turtles breathe air and not water. So when you see them navigating underwater currents, munching on jellyfish, or dashing away from predators, they are in fact holding their breath. They lay their eggs on land, and their babies, when hatched, must find the ocean, usually only returning to land in order to lay their own eggs. It isn't all plain sailing for these shelled sea creatures. Occasionally, due to storms, illness, or injury, a sea turtle may be washed up to the shore unable to save itself. Sea turtle numbers are low around the world, with nearly every species of sea turtle classified as endangered. Thankfully, science, technology, and engineering, along with a dash of compassion from those who rescue these stranded animals, have all come together to help us understand and save sea turtles all over the world. When washed up on the shore, turtles can suffer visible and invisible problems. Physical damage to their body and shell is often the case. They can also have internal problems that can lead to buoyancy issues. This means it can be weeks before they are able to dive below the surface of the water. In the wild, this will be fatal for them, but thankfully, with the right care and medical treatment, they can make a full recovery. Sea turtles are strong and resilient animals. Given half a chance, they can return from the brink of death to live long, healthy lives. I've actually been lucky enough to see this happen. Once properly taken care of, their injuries can heal, their illnesses pass, and their zest for life can return stronger than ever.
It is important to X-ray any rescued turtles if possible. This allows us to ensure they have no internal injuries and also check if they have ingested any rubbish. Turtles can mistake rubbish for food and eat it accidentally. Without proper care, this can make them very sick.
This all sounds like the compassion you mentioned, I can hear you ask. What about the science and the technology and the engineering? Well, once a rescued sea turtle has recovered its strength and it comes time to release it back into the ocean, what will often happen now is a state-of-the-art tag can be placed on its shell. This tag causes no discomfort to the turtle whatsoever, but what it does do is provide us a treasure trove of information on how these animals live their lives in the wild. Using this tag, we can find out where they live, breed, feed, how deep they can dive, how far they like to travel, almost everything we want to know. Knowledge is power, and with enough knowledge, we will have enough power to ensure that sea turtles can survive on this earth as they were meant to.
There are multiple ways of releasing these creatures back into the wild after being rescued. You can release them from the shore or from the open ocean itself.
So what can you do to help these amazing animals? Well, firstly, we want to protect their home, which is the ocean. So the more we protect the oceans, the more chance that sea turtles have to survive happily in the wild. If you find one washed up on a beach or onto the shore, well, there are a number of different places you can call that should be able to help. The Irish Whale and Dolphin Group will offer advice on how to take care of them on the beach and also call the relevant people who can look after them. You could also get in contact with your local seal sanctuary or the closest aquarium to where you found the turtle. Any one of those places will be able to offer help and advice and will be able to contact whoever needs to be contacted in order to help rescue these amazing animals. Thank you.